Google has won regulatory approval from the USUU to move forward with a radar-based motion sensor that could make touchscreens obsolete for years to come. Known as the Soli Project, the initiative began in 2015 within the Technology and Advanced Projects Unit of Google, a group responsible for turning the giant's cutting-edge ideas into products. We have seen a series of technological advances from Soli since then, from being able to identify objects to reducing the energy consumption of the radar sensor. More recently, a regulatory order is established to move it to a more actionable phase. The Federal Communications Commission of EEUU said earlier this week that he would grant the Soli Project an exemption to operate at higher energy levels than currently allowed. The government agency also said that users can operate the sensor on board an aircraft because the device has a minimum potential to cause harmful interference to other users of the spectrum. Soli adjusts the radar sensors in a small chip the size of an American neighborhood to track light movements of the hands or fingers at great speed and precision. That means that instead of turning a knob to adjust the volume of your stereo, you can rub your fingers over a speaker that contains a Soli chip as if it were sliding on a virtual dial. Under the regulatory order, you could also be allowed to press a button on your smartwatch with Soli technology in the future. In addition to clarifying safety issues, the FCC also found that the detection technology serves the public interest. The ability to recognize the gestures of hands without contact of users to control a device, such as a smartphone, could help to people with mobility, speech or tactile impairments, which in turn could lead to greater productivity and quality of life for many members of the American public.